So guys, I'm going to open some of these beauty hauls that I've got.
Wrap up nicely with a bubble. And first one is...
This is the one from Klairs. It's their Supple preparation toner. This is my second bottle now, and I have been using it for quite a long time actually. It does last for quite a long time because you really need just a little bit for your skin after cleansing. I also tried the other version, the original one, and I did enjoy that one as well, but because it has some oils, I think I'm trying to avoid some oils, although it didn't aggravate my skin. I'm just worried for the long-term effect of it, so I opted for this unscented version, and it is becoming my favorite toner so far. And it says it is an essential oil-free, and it's good for moisturizing and of course the pH balance. The second item is this oil from Clarins, and it is the Tonic oil. It's supposed to be good for stretch marks, to prevent a stretch mark if you are pregnant. And I have tried this one when I was pregnant, and I don't know, I didn't have a lot of stretch mark. I'm not sure if that's because of using this oil, but yeah. But with this one, I also find out that I have a bit of keratosis pilaris onto my upper arm, and it really helps to remove those ones. So yeah, when it was on sale from Latino, I quickly bought this one, and this is how it looks like. It's such a massive bottle. It is 100 ml, so it does last you for quite a long time as well. Plus it has, I do remember, it has a really nice scent on it. So that's the one. Next one is this from xoxo. It's their milk concentrate body balm, I think, or it's a moisturizer for your body. This is one of my favorite body moisturizing. Enjoyed all these almond products from xoxo, although they're very expensive, but if it's on sale, it is quite a good time to buy and stock up on your favorite item. This is how it looks like. Yes, it's one of my favorites together with this Clarins. It's so fantastic for moisturizing your skin, and it really makes your skin so smooth and very relaxing as well. And it does last for a very long time. So that's the one. Next one is, I think it's the last, no, I still have two left. This is from CeraVe. It's their eye repair cream. This is such a fantastic moisturizer for your eyes as well, and especially if you have any eczemas around your face. This is such a good one to make the eczema a lot how do you call this, milder, or calm down. Your skin will eventually calm down from your eczema flare up. So yeah, that's the one. Although this is for the eye cream, it's an eye cream repair, and this one does last for a long time as well. It is such a small product, but you only need a little bit, and yeah, this is fantastic. So those are the things that I have tried. The last one, which I never tried, is the Chanel Micro Beauty Eye Gel Cream. I heard a lot of good reviews with this one, so yeah, I'm excited to try it. I've been using the Benton eye fermentation cream for a long time, but it's okay, but I'm really looking for something that makes a lot difference to your eye areas. And I know some people say like you don't really need an eye cream because the moisturizer, you can use it onto your eye areas, eyelid, but Yeah, I just wanted something that is different. I don't want to waste my eye cream into my eyes, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just want something that is properly for eye areas. There you go. And the going to open is from I'm not entirely sure what's in the box, but I think this is from Space NK. Yeah, let's surprise each other by opening this. Yeah, I'll put it here so you would see that I'm really opening a box. Okay. Yeah, I think this is from Space NK. They probably changed their packaging. Yeah, this is the clarifying moisturizer from Tata Harper. And I was so blown away when I first used the Tata Harper. This is my backup. I have the other one, which I'm gonna show you. So if you could see, I really enjoyed using it, and this is such just my backup, as I said. It's really good for oily skin people and with people who are prone to acne, and it really does give you this luminous face in the morning, and it's quite mattifying as well. I have an oily skin, but it doesn't aggravate my oiliness on my skin. It really helps my skin to be moisturized at the same time, giving me that matte finished look. And yes, I really like the smell. The scent of this one as well is really like a herbally kind of smell. Although this is very expensive, but I only get it if it's the Space NK have some offers like 25 no, it's like a 15 pounds off every 60 pounds, so I always get a free backup. Not free backup, but it's a backup. There you go. That's the one. And what is this? Oh, this is the Hourglass mascara. This is my favorite so far mascara. I have tried so many mascaras in the past, and as the day goes, my mascara is already onto my cheeks. Yeah, that's how bad they are. And since I tried the Hourglass, I never tried any. I did try because I feel like I'm like getting too much of this, too much love for this. So I was trying to find some other things that I would probably discover because I love beauty products, but this one never failed me. It's such a small one because this is just the smaller size, but because with mascara you only need to use it for I think 3 months, and then you have to dispose it. And normally with the bigger sizes, I can't finish it for the whole 3 months. There's still some left, so I'd rather have this one and dispose it after three months, and rather than wasting products, if you know what I mean. And yeah, this is such a good one if you have a very short lashes. It really gives you that lengthening effect, and it does last for quite how many hours, and you won't end up with a panda look. Yep, I totally recommend this one. Next product, I think this is the last one. It's from Tata Harper as well. It's their serum. Because I had a good relationship with the moisturizing, clarifying moisturizer, I thought I would try some more products from Tata Harper. It's their serum. I love a good serum, and this is based on AHA, I think. It's a resurfacing serum, so it must contain some exfoliating ingredients. It's 100% free from toxins, fillers, and synthetic chemicals. This is what Tata Harper is. It's all like natural and good products that's good for your skin and for the environment as well. Wait, it doesn't say. There you go. It has AHAs and BHAs to give you a glowing, healthy looking skin, and it has some antioxidants to fight for free radicals, and Yep, that's how it looks like. And it is how many mil? It's 30 mil, but it should last you for a few months. Sorry guys if I talk a lot, I'm really sorry. I'm trying to explain some other things. That's how it looks like. So yeah, I'm excited. Have you guys tried this one? Let me know, because I can't find any other reviews for this one. So yeah, that's how it looks like. And I think that's the last one actually. That's from Space NK. And ooh, I had some goodies. There you go. They always give you a sample, not sample, but it's a bag, free. You can use it for shopping bag. And they gave me some sample of Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. That's lovely. I have a lot of this one already, and it's very useful. The reason I have to open this box is because of this one. It's their IS Clinical Cleansing Gel, Cleansing Complex Gel. It's a gel in form, and this is for resurfacing and deep cleansing. And yes, it's really mild but effective in cleaning your skin, especially if you have oily skin. And I think if you have combination skin and normal skin, you would enjoy this one as well. It's in 30 ml, but it does last you for a very long time. I've gone through this for many bottles of this. I've gone through for many bottles. Sorry, I can't even talk anymore. Yeah, I've been using this one for many years. I think it's probably like 2 years now, and I love it. This is my only go-to skin cleansing, but I've been trying some new ones, but I always go back to this one because it's such an effective one, and it's with the price, it does last you for a long time. So it's really good price from in my point of view. Yeah, that's the one. And I have this one. This is the vitamin C. It's the, I took the other one, the Phloretin CF. This is meant to be good for oily skin. I have the other one, the vitamin C and E. I'm gonna show you. I've been using, it's their C and E Ferulic. This is the gold standard of vitamin C. But because I have oily skin, and I've read quite a lot of people, they really loving the Phloretin CF. So I thought, since I'm trying to finish this one, once I finish this one, I'm going to try these new ones, and I will let you know, guys, if you are interested to find out the effect of this one. Please comment down below. It really helps to, it really motivates me to make more videos. Yeah, that's the one. And the next one, I have this discoloration defense serum. I have I'm still with the first bottle, so I have, this is just my stocks, and it is really good for fighting discoloration. I have so many discolorations on my face because of my previous acne, but this one really helps to fade all those brown spots and red spots and whatnot. Yes, really effective, and it does last you for a long time. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how it looks like. The branding is already faded because I'm nearly in the end of this one, and it did last me for like 4 months. This is my 4th month, I think, and that's my backup. Good product, love it. And that's the last one. I can't believe that I went through all these 3 boxes, but the last one is a free one from Skin City. I always have this one. It's a Caucasian one. There you go. It's such a cute one. Yeah, I have like 4 of them now, and it's such a sweet one. I'm gonna like display all of this one. I might show you. Do you wanna see it? Yes, let's do it. So this is how it looks like. The branding is already faded because I'm nearly in the end of this one, and it did last me for like 4 months. This is my 4th month, I think, and that's my backup. Good product, love it. And that's the last one. I can't believe that I went through all these 3 boxes, but the last one is a free one from Skinceuticals. I always have this one. It's a xoxo one. There you go. It's such a cute one. Yeah, I have like 4 of them now, and it's such a sweet one. I'm gonna like display all of this one. There are 2, and if you buy from them, this is not sponsored, okay? If you buy from them, they give you some of these cute ones. And that's the other one. And this is what I got now. I can't find the other 2, so I'm really sorry. Yeah, that's very cute, right? And it's such a good one to like display. There you go. That's such a rundown, but thank you for watching, and I really hope you're going to subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button, please. And yeah, see you again until my next videos. I'm going to open some more boxes of skincare goodies, so please watch and subscribe. Till next time, bye.